Let's build some pet stairs. This box is a little heavy. This was packaged very nicely. Everything was numbered and easily laid out. So I started to put it together based off of the directions, putting my little pens in. I laid the base down and I went to put on the sides that had already pre-built based off of the directions. It showed that you needed to use these clasps to put on the sides to hold the stair sides together. So screwing in just the first level. This seems to be a little cumbersome and hard to put this on like this way if you're doing it by yourself. So I had to take those clips out because you cannot screw in the sides when it was clipped together. Definitely a lot easier to do it one panel at a time. Alright, we got one side up. And now that I have that together, now put in the clips to hold the stairs together. Makes more sense to do it this way. Alright, I got both sides on. This is what it looks like. And now we go on to adding the stairs. I started to put the slides in, but sometimes they felt a little loose and were sliding down. So I decided to screw in the actual stair first. Getting this lined up was a pain in the butt. Once you have the first step on, then you can put the inserts in. I did it and it's built. I may have said some choice curse words during this process. These stairs can hold up to 22 pounds. They are made out of engineered wood. And it looks nice. Right by my bed, it matches my bed frame perfectly. And Ivy loves it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button.